Are you looking to change or reset your APN settings on your iPhone? Maybe you're switching careers, dealing with some network issues, or just need a quick network refresh. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update and reset your APN settings so you can get back to enjoying a smooth network connections. Solution 1. Change APN settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your device. Next, select Cellular Data Network or Mobile Data Network if that option is available. Now, under the Cellular Data section, you will see the APN fields. Update the APN username and password with the details provided by your carrier. You can also reset the settings directly from the screen if needed. After that, once you've made the changes, exit Settings and restart your iPhone to make sure the new APN settings are applied. If you want to reset your APN settings back to their default, just follow these steps below. Solution 2. Reset APN settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on General. After that, select a little further and select Reset. Next, tap Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will reset your Wi-Fi networks, passwords, and APN settings to their default settings. Once the reset is done, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if your APN settings are working properly. By following these steps, you should be able to change or reset your APN settings on your iPhone for a better connection. If you still have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.